I just got the Amos Tasty Sounds, but this, you record your own message and then it plays back what you said. So I recorded a message to myself. I told myself, have a positive day. You get it travels through your bones or something like that. Oh my God, the perfect thing to bring to a party. Put it at the tables. Like if it's a special birthday, you could have people literally sending you messages in these lollipops, and then you go home and you listen to everybody's messages. Genius. This is blueberry. They come in all different flavors. So much fun. Press that link.